Welcome to Midway Nissan. For over 50 years, we have served the greater Durham region with excellent customer service, high-quality maintenance, and a wide selection of new and pre-owned Nissan vehicles. Our staff has the knowledge and personality to ensure that buying your next vehicle is an enjoyable experience. With one of the largest inventories of new and pre-owned Nissan vehicles across the GTA, we are confident that our sales team can offer you the right vehicle that also fits within your budget. Midway Nissan is also the premier location for service and repair. Our factory-trained Nissan certified technicians have an average of 15 years industry experience. They work with the latest equipment and technology to ensure your vehicle is properly serviced and gets you on your way as quickly as possible. We've always got your back. Come in to Midway Nissan today and see the difference for yourself.